Hi guys, what's up? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video of Element Solutions. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can connect your Jabra 65 Flex to your mobile phone or your computer via Bluetooth. So here, this is the headphone guys, and here we have the power button. And now, like here we can see the power icon and the Bluetooth icon. So you just have to press the power button until you see the green light, and you do not need to release like the power button when you see the green light. You just have to still press it until you see the blue light. So like here I press the power button and now we have the green light. We do not have to release the power button, and now we can see that we're getting like blue light. So basically our Bluetooth is basically on, and now we'll just quickly jump into our machine, like Windows machine, or if you want to connect to your mobile phone, just go to the settings, like Bluetooth settings. So I'll just quickly go to like settings here, and here we have the Bluetooth icon, and you can see that like the Bluetooth is currently on. I'll just right click on it and I'll go to settings, and now here we'll have to click on add a device, and we'll just quickly click on Bluetooth, and here we can see a list of device. So I'll just click on the first one, and it's basically trying to connect to my headphone, and now you can see that my device is basically connected via Bluetooth, and I'll just quickly close it. And here we can see that like the paired devices we can see like here. If I just quickly go back, I think it's not updated yet, but if I just quickly go back and if I go to sound settings here, like system and then sound, here we can see that like the headphone is basically connected to the Jabra 65 Flex, and similarly you can basically connect to your mobile phone. So this is how you can connect your Jabra 65 Flex to your mobile phone guys, or to your machine via Bluetooth. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So don't forget to subscribe and also review, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.